Hi, in this video, I'll teach you guys how to create a Jotform API key which is useful to connect from one app to another. So, let's get started. Now, let's go into our avatar right here and then click Settings. Go to API and now we're going to generate a new key. So what you're gonna do first is name your key, like, for example, name it as test for video. And this right here is the API key. Now we have to set permission if it's going to be read access only or full access. So that's it. This is how you create Jotform API key. If you find this video useful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And also, if you like what you seen, check out the product links below in the description. Because when you click on one of the product links, I'll receive a small commission which helps support this channel. Thank you.